Ridge gourd might just be sitting quietly in your kitchen basket, but this humble green vegetable is loaded with health benefits you probably don't know about. Let's dive straight into it. Rich in nutrients. Ridge gourd is packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, magnesium, and dietary fiber. While being extremely low in calories, it also contains a good amount of water content, which makes it a naturally hydrating and light food choice for everyday meals. Helps in weight loss. Since ridge gourd is almost 95% water and very low in calories, it is an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. The fiber content keeps you full for longer, reduces unnecessary cravings, and supports a healthy calorie deficit without leaving you feeling deprived. It can easily replace heavier ingredients in soups, curries, and stir-fries. Supports diabetes management. Ridge gourd has a low glycemic index and contains natural compounds that may help improve insulin sensitivity. Regular consumption can assist in regulating blood sugar spikes, making it a smart vegetable choice for people managing diabetes or pre-diabetes. Many traditional remedies also use its juice for this exact purpose. Improves digestive health. The high fiber content in ridge gourd helps promote smooth bowel movements and prevents constipation. It also has a soothing effect on the stomach lining, which can help reduce issues like acidity, bloating, and indigestion over time. Its high water content further supports a healthy and active gut. Boosts liver function. Ridge gourd is well known for its natural detoxifying properties. It helps flush out toxins from the body and supports healthy liver function, which is essential for metabolism, digestion, and overall detoxification processes. This makes it a great vegetable for anyone looking to support their liver naturally. Good for skin and hair. Thanks to its vitamin C and antioxidant content, ridge gourd can help improve skin texture, reduce acne, and slow down visible signs of aging. It is also widely used in natural remedies for promoting healthier, stronger, and shinier hair, especially when applied as a juice or paste. Strengthens immunity. The generous vitamin C content in ridge gourd plays a key role in strengthening the immune system. Regular intake can help the body fight off common infections more effectively and supports faster recovery during seasonal illnesses like colds and flu. Possible side effects. While ridge gourd is safe for most people, consuming it in excess may cause mild digestive discomfort like gas or diarrhea in sensitive individuals. People with kidney issues or low blood sugar levels should consult a doctor before adding large quantities to their diet. That wraps up everything you need to know about ridge gourd and why it deserves a permanent spot in your diet. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health content, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.